This video demonstrates the proper installation of Hydroblock 1-Backer CI as a continuous insulation exterior wall system. Hydroblock 1-Backer CI functions as a continuous insulation, a secondary air and water resistive barrier, and a stucco backer when installed per manufacturer's instructions. It is a composite panel consisting of an XPS foam core with mesh reinforced polymer modified cement coatings on both phases. Boards are 4 foot by 8 foot and are available in multiple thicknesses to meet thermal and detailing requirements. Approved substrates include exterior OSB or exterior gypsum sheathing installed over wood framing. Check the framing for flatness and correct any out of plane larger than 1/4 inch in the framing before installing OSB. An approved water-resistive barrier must be installed over the sheathing prior to installing the Backer CI panels. Begin installation with the first board aligning edges with the framing members. Fasten boards through the sheathing, penetrating a minimum of 1 inch into the framing using approved number 8 exterior grade screws and 1 1/4 inch diameter galvanized tabbed Hydroblock washers. Do not overdrive fasteners. Washers should sit flush with the board surface without crushing the panel. Screws and washers should be fastened at every framing member and be spaced 16 inches on center on the edges and 16 inches on center in the field. Stagger board seams a minimum of 24 inches. At the base of the wall, install code-approved L-bead to protect the underside of the board. L-bead depth should match the thickness of Hydroblock CI. Ensure the finish system terminates above finished grade. At transitions to other materials, terminate the Backer CI with appropriate trim and integrate it with compatible flashing and sealants. At windows and doors, prepare opening in accordance with building code and WRB manufacturer's guidelines. Install Backer CI with a 1/4 inch gap around all sides of the window. Install code-approved flashing and stucco accessories. Add a backer rod and sealant around the window. Outside corners require approved corner trim to fully cover exposed foam edges prior to base coat application. Install code-approved expansion, control joints, or reveal joints as required by project documents and local building code. At control joints, cut a 1/4 inch wide 7/16 inch deep V-groove and install an approved control joint accessory. At expansion joints, terminate Backer CI and protect with a code-approved expansion joint accessory. At penetrations, ensure WRB continuity in accordance with WRB manufacturer's instructions. Protect any exposed edges using base coat and mesh. Maintain a 1/4 inch gap at small penetrations and apply sealant. Maintain a 1/2 inch gap around large penetrating objects. Place L-bead accessory around the opening and seal using a backer rod and sealant. Pre-treat all fasteners and washers with a layer of polymer modified base coat. Apply an approved polymer modified base coat and embed alkali resistant fiberglass mesh over the entire surface. Apply additional base coat as needed until mesh is fully encapsulated and the wall is planar. After proper curing, apply the specified stucco or acrylic finish per manufacturer's instructions. Install in accordance with published installation instructions and ICC ES ESR 5559. For additional information, visit hydroblock.com or contact Hydroblock Technical Support.